Okay, we're still in our UJ trade on November 21st to 2016, where we took it short. What we're trying to do is establish a target, and I'm tending to think I'd like to get 50, but I think 40 make more sense. I really expect it to continue going down longer, but it's getting late in the day. It's 3:45. I'll probably have to hold it to changeover. But what I'm looking at is I'm looking at 40 pips as a target. They give me an 8 to 1 risk to reward to risk. In other words, I risk 5, and if I get 40, means I get 8 times as much as I risked. For that to happen, I would need to see it come down into here, which is really why I'm picking 40 pips from, because right here, where we have the blue tracer, they trapped off of that. And if we come up to here, that's 44, so I have to take it a little bit in front of that because you got they're trapped through the 00. They may or may not go through that, and they've got this to bounce off of too. We do have a strong trend that seems to be continuing down, but I have no idea how long it's going to go down, and the time of day is worrying me. So we're going to just come in here, and we're going to take our 40 pips. That would bring us down below the 00 line. Let me see, that would give us 93.9. I think 93.9 should be our target. There it is. And I'll show you another reason why I'm looking at that target. If we come here to the day, if we take a look at how far we'd come back, see it's right in front of the 50% retracement line. That plus, if this is the pullback on the push 2, which it may not be, but if it is, we'd have an extension of 228.7, and they'd be coming right together. You've got a lot of factors come together right in this point. You get the bluebird, which is the 500 EMA. You get this trap to the left, the blue tracer, fib extension and fib retracement all coming together, making this a prime point for a reversal or continuation of a count down. I got 1, I've got 2, and I'm looking at 3 down, so that is my target. I want to make sure they hit it, so I set my target a little bit ahead of where I expect them to go. That's to cover the spread, and in case they just don't quite hit it, which they don't always do. Okay.